Peace, peace, peace. What's up, everybody? Peace to the tribe. Peace to the tribe. Let's go ahead and get into it. Cool, we made it in there. Audio will. Cool. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, let me go ahead and update our scoreboard. Go ahead and update our scoreboard. This has been a little journey. All right, cool. Welcome in. So yeah, here's our score right here. Here's our score. Let me go ahead and move this out so we can see it. The goal for this strategy stream, the challenge was to see if I could beat it and pass it in 1 week, because I've done that multiple times. But this has not been one of those times. However, we still got capital. We still in profit. So I'm grateful. What do they say? Aim for the stars. You'll still land on the moon if you don't make it. I forgot the saying. Somebody help me out. But yeah, we aimed high. We aimed to try to see if we could pass this in a week. Right now we on week 3. Okay, we on week 3. So, which is cool, because like I told y'all from the beginning, realistically, most prop firms used to give you 30 days to pass it because they expected it to take about a month. And then they changed that totally and said, all right, no time frame. We're not going to force you to get this done in a month, which was really good. It took the pressure off of traders. So here we are now, and we did 2 weeks of trading, and I'm up $1,400. 50% of the way there. The last 2 weeks have been hella consolidation and also hella reversals. The market has switched up a lot. We went from being bullish, and that's when it's funny, like, thankfully, I caught some of those bullish runs. That's how I got a couple of these funded accounts on futures. And I had just started trading futures, just got into the prop firm space on futures. Jumped in at the perfect time because the market was in a super bullish market. Now we are in a market correction, pullback kind of time frame. That's what it's been looking like for the last couple weeks. A lot of consolidation, a lot of downtrend behavior. So I'm a little bit more cautious on how I'm trading. And as you can see, it's paying off, because instead of being in the negative, I'm actually winning. So I ain't mad about it. So that's just how I wanted to start off the session. Give me a second. Let me shut this door and find me something I could really. Okay, cool. All right. Trying to see. Anybody got any questions to kick off the stream? Shoot for the moon. If you miss, you still land amongst the stars. There we go. Something like that. Yeah. The reason why I got confused, Ty, is because I feel like that's backwards. That's it. I feel like in my head I'm like, okay, that's the saying, but I feel like it's backwards. I feel like it should be shoot for the stars. If you miss, you'll still be amongst the moon. Right? You'll still be on the moon or something, because most of the stars are way further than the moon. So why would you shoot for the moon? You won't make it to the stars, right? All right, y'all let me know what y'all think, but it's kind of where my mind is at with it. Like, I think they messed that package up. But who knows? I ain't perfect. I could be wrong. But yeah, anyway, 51,400 is where I'm at. However, I am leading from another account. I'm doing 2 accounts at once right now. So I say that to say, this number up here is going to say 50,100. Don't let that confuse you with the real account size, which is 51,400. This is called copy trading. You can have one account that when you put a trade in on that account, it'll automatically mimic the trade on another account. That's called copy trading. I'm using TopStep X. TopStep X comes with that built in. Okay. There's a link in the description below for TopStep X if you want to sign up. It's my affiliate link. I think I'll get some kickback. I say that because I have not yet, but they say I get a kickback if y'all use my link, so we'll see. It all goes back into the company, and then we use that funds to pretty much give scholarships and discounts to people who need help. So rock with us, rock with us. Also, I am on I'm on this account, which is my newer account. And the reason why I like leading with this one is because it makes me more cautious. Okay, it's more cautious. I have less wiggle room because this account is still at about break even. So it makes me, I don't want to go into the negative, so I'm a little bit more cautious. It makes me trade cautiously, which means I'm not going to mess up that other account. Okay? You can't copy trade challenge accounts, right? You can. These are 2 challenge accounts. You can't copy from a challenge to a live. Okay, 9:30 bell is approaching really fast. Real quick, our Invest Wisely disclaimer. Invest wisely as always, y'all. This is not financial advice. This is education. The best education out there, might I say that, okay? And the best community, right? Nothing but down to earth people here. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. I'm glad we got this tribe we building one person at a time. We ain't in no rush. We looking for the right people, not a lot of people, okay? So, yeah, let's get into it. I wanted to go over the news that we have coming up. (9:45) and 10 o'clock. So I'm gonna really be on my best behavior this morning. I'm gonna be on my best behavior. I'm not gonna rush into trying to trade. I'm gonna wait for this news to play out. Okay. My trigger finger get happy a lot of times. I get a little anxious. News in opening bell in 1 minute. I did like this analysis on live cattle. They said we could trade live cattle on TopStep, but I think they were fronting. I don't know if it was a joke or something. But I heard them say that. But it's not here. It's not here. Platinum. I didn't analyze platinum today. Ooh, it don't look good either. But let's check it out. (9:30) bell is here. Not looking good. Silver, and excuse me, when I say not looking good to anybody, I want y'all to know, I'm just talking about for my strategies, right? One of the strategies that I'm looking to trade. That's it. On that note too, let me look up trap cloud. Let's go. Welcome in, everybody. Invite the rest of the tribe out as well. All right. What's this right here? Oh, soybean looking for a reversal. Probably a nice, let me look at this T.Bot fair value gap. Yeah, it looked like it might come up here a little bit. I see a lot of space, but we'll see. I don't even think you could trade soy on TopStep. Can you? Nope. They moving too slow. They gotta get this right. They moving too slow for me. Okay. So wheat. Ooh, oil did the breakout, but it didn't pull back first. I was looking for the pullback. No pullback yet. That signal would have hit though, the one from 5 a.m. That would have been good. Shout out T.Bot. Okay, now this was a signal right here as well for London, Euro futures. I think it was on the 15-minute. Sheesh. Nah, that wasn't it then, because I seen a signal somewhere. Oh, it was the 1 hour. 1 hour signal. Yeah, the week's starting out, it's gonna start off slow. I don't think it's gonna be, I don't know, we gotta see how this news plays out at 9:45 and 10, but right now, I don't see a lot of beautiful setups. I don't see a lot of beautiful setups at all. Let's see what NQ, ES, and US 30 look like. We're still at the EMA 200 right here on the NASDAQ. So indecision is waiting. The Dow Jones, same thing, sitting right at the EMA 200. That's indecision. That is like pretty much a break-even point. Let me just really quick see what this looks like on the fib levels. Yeah, we near the 618, which is cool. Something can happen right here. Something big can happen right around here. We in between that and the 500. Okay. Rejection off the 618. So this may continue to drop. This is going towards my bias. This is good. Are we in a sell zone yet? Almost. Almost. And we just left out of a sell zone, so this is good. T.Bot might send us a signal soon, but if not, because it's a strategy stream, I would still trade something like this. Ooh, we got some nice gaps. Some nice gaps. Okay, so I like this. It's decent. It's decent. Let's look at NQ one more time. NQ probably got a huge gap right here. All of this right here. Look at this. Watch for the fake out to the top and reversal back to the bottom. Let's watch for that. Let's watch for that. We opened here. This was today's open, right around this point. It's pushing up a little bit, but I wouldn't be surprised if we see a nice, beautiful drop coming on back down. So let's keep our eye on that. I'm gonna put it into my blue zone. Same thing, blue. Ooh. The Euro futures, I might give this a chance. Also because the news is not going to really affect the Euro futures. Let's see what it look like on a smaller time frame. So yeah, this fits with my strategy well because it's overall in the uptrend, right? For anybody who don't know, my strategy is just to look for those uptrends where the market is making consistent ascending V patterns. The market makes these V's that just keep on going higher and higher. Okay, so here's a V back here, and then this one was a little bit higher. This one came down, well, it didn't really go that low, but it came this low, and now this one only came this low. So that means it's trending upwards. Okay, I like that. It's breaking this counter trend line. So the thing is, they don't have micros for this pair. That's the only thing I don't like about this. They don't have micros. And then also I don't like that this rejection period is right here. So I'm gonna be patient. If I loved it, I would have took it, but this is an expensive instrument to buy. Okay, it's very expensive to buy. Let's look it up real quick. This is 6E Euro futures per tick. 6.25 per contract. $6.25 per tick. Okay. Okay, so that's expensive. Every time it moves, it's $6. So if I want to have like a, let me see, I can actually show y'all here. Let's connect to my paper trading account. Create limit order. So if I just wanted it to be, if I wanted to take this trade right here, or my stop loss right here, where we at? Yeah, and if I wanted to make, let's say $500. Whoa, what's going on? Oh, if I want to risk 200, that's not too bad actually. Not too bad. Let's see if I wanted my stop loss to be down here, which is very wide, I know. The minimum I will be able to risk is $312, which is still not too bad. We got a few gaps. Yeah, I just don't like this rejection right here. It rejected off of it on the Asian session and right at the London session as well. So I don't see why the US session would push it through. So I'm just not feeling it. I'm gonna keep my eye on it. But I'm not feeling it. Okay, let me know who on here still has never entered their first trade. Who still has not entered their first trade? Dang, oil leaving. Oil did not do the pullback first. And the signal that we got at 5:30 would have been a banger. That would have been good. So that ain't working out. Live cattle not ready yet. Hey, peace, Craig. Tapping in. Dion, what's up, man? Peace. Dion, you trading? You trading this week? Did you trade anything last week? Same question for you, Craig. Hey, what's up, Julia? I didn't even see you was in the chat. Hey, peace, Pauline. All right, moving US 30 towards the top. NASDAQ is going up. It's up 0.79% for the day. I don't believe it. I don't know why I don't believe it. It got room to go. I just don't believe it. Okay, Craig said I have not, but I'm ready this week. I'm logging into TradingView. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. We gotta kill that procrastination. I know that's the issue for some people. Not saying that's the issue for you. For some other people, the issue is not making time. Right? You're not making time for it. You gotta make time. I know you busy. I'm busy as hell. I'm busy. Busy as it gets. I make time for it though, okay? ES. ES is also looking very... It broke that little downwards trend line, but I think it's coming back down. Especially that news just came out that said S&P rises. As soon as the positive news come out, the market drop. News coming out in 3 minutes. And Dion said, no, I haven't been trading for the past few weeks. Okay. Gotta be in it to win it, my man. I know you're busy. Find a routine that can work for your schedule. I'm telling you, even if it means waking up a little bit earlier, wake up at 6 a.m., do you 15 to 30 minutes of analysis, set you a trade up, set it and forget it. Just set it and forget it. Even if it's demo, all right, you can't even lose. Like, come on, it's just demo. I just know the power of consistency. I'm telling you, it's a real thing. The longer we wait and just like, okay, I'm gonna get to it, I'm gonna make time like that, you gotta at least be in it. Even if it's demo, all right, even if it's demo. Exactly, I've been busy, but I'm making time to enter trades consistently. I love to hear that, Brandon, I love it. I said, we're just here to remind each other. We're here to hold each other accountable. Like hearing Brandon say that is probably gonna motivate somebody else to be like, hey, he busy too, it ain't just me. Like that's why we gotta try, because you have to realize a lot of the times it's not just you. It's not just you. We in this thing together. Okay. Hey, Mike Jones, I don't know if you're on here, but look like we're getting that rejection. It's looking a little strong on gold. Okay, here come the Dow Jones. Come on down. Come on down. News in 1 minute. Let me set up my pairs that I'm going to be looking at. I ain't messing with you. Oil, I like it. Platinum, I ain't messing with you. Micro Dow Jones, I like it. Micro NASDAQ. Or micro S&P. Anything else? Okay, I think that's it for right now. Yes, nostalgic. Let's go, Anthony. For real. We got this. Okay. What we gonna do? Come on, I know you want to come down. Now the Dow Jones has actually been playing me for the last couple weeks. I did make some money on it Friday, I believe, but it's actually been really tricky. 945 news is hit. This is manufacturing data. It was above 50. Nice. above 50. What's the difference between this one and the other one? The ISM and the final. Let's look at the final first. Final is 800 purchasing managers was respondents to rate the relative level of business conditions, including employment, production, new orders, prices, supplies, deliveries. 800 purchasing managers. 800 purchasing managers. This one, 300 purchasing managers, which asked them respondents to rate the relative new order. Level of diffusion based on certain manufacturing industry. I'm confused. I don't see why they would have two of them at different times. Like, at least they not saying it here. I would have to go to Google and do a deeper dive. $9.45 don't look like it did nothing crazy though. Oil is dropping. Sheesh. It did not do my pullback. Do they got micro crude? They got a mini crude. E-mini crude might be cool. Okay, cool. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna be waiting for a pullback here. It might not go to where I wanted it to, but it might give us something. We made some good money, as a matter of fact, on Friday on oil. I forgot. They showed love on Friday. And that's the thing too. I'm gonna say this real quick to some people. Like, I know you don't like. I know you ain't got the patience that you really need to be a trader right now. We're trying to make it easier and easier for y'all. New tools coming out on a regular. We always got something coming out to make it easier, but sometimes you got to sit through those boring moments to be able to catch those big moves, catch those real, that's where the money be at, I'm telling you. So I know sometimes you might sit on here and be like, man, what's going on? But when we not doing anything, when we not in a trade, you should be asking all the questions you got. You should be asking hella questions. Hell, I'm telling you, man. Like, when I never had a trading mentor live. All my stuff was either from books, from videos, stuff like that. But I had a coding mentor live. I did have a coding mentor. When I had his time, I asked him so many questions. And when I didn't get something, I would let him know, like, I don't get it. I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh, right. I got you right now. I'm getting it. Because that man was a genius. And I'm like, while I got you, I'm going to get these answers. So I'm here to serve, family. I'm here to serve. Here it comes. All right. It's coming down pretty fast. I might take this. I might take this right here. See what some of the sentiment is. What is for these markets? Wall Street opened higher on Monday, lifted by semiconductor and mega cap growth stocks ahead of data pack week. The Dow Jones, okay. So let's look at the Dow Jones. Dow Jones portfolio. I think it was on slick charts by weight. Let's look and see what's going on right now. The heck? Where my ad blocker at? Come on, you ain't doing good. United Health Group is down. Goldman Sachs is down. Microsoft is down. Apple's up. Boeing's up. Procter & Gamble's up. All right, there we go. It looks like it's going into my area, so I'm gonna go ahead. We're 15 minutes in. I like that rejection candle right there. Let's do one contract. I'm gonna go ahead and put in a sell for one contract.
Order filled.
See what my stop loss would be. 129. 1-to-1 will be somewhere around here.
Order filled.
What the heck? What was that?
Order filled.
Man, I think I did that. I don't know what I just did. I put that there, and I set my take profit right here. The heck? TopStep, don't get to tripping on me today. You just took $10 from me. That was bad. You just took $10. Speaking of, Jay, let me know if you ever got any kind of reconciliation from what was happening on your account that day. The same way I'm on it alone. I'm not how to make a purchase. Do I need a broker? Which one are you with? Yeah, I'm gonna send you a link to the broker I use. 1 second. All right, cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna try my first trade here. I like that big exhausted wick right there. I'm hoping that means we're going to push down for the rest of the day right here.
Order filled.
Ooh-wee, that was quick. Sheesh, that was quick. I missed it on my other account. I just came over to my other account to put in a trade, and I'm like, Why did that bar look so big already? Sheesh. Okay. This market is doing a lot right now. I'm giving it a chance to do what it do. NASDAQ might come back down to here. ES is coming, breaking out of that trap. I'm looking for see what it's gonna do there. Oil, I'm waiting for a pullback. I don't know if it's gonna pull back though. Glad I stayed out of this. Let's go. US 30, show us some love today. Cool. How are you feeling? What everybody looking at? What we looking at right now? What y'all got on your charts? Y'all got your eyes on? That was a huge red candle right there, like that wick was, oh shoot, I missed the 10 o'clock news. My bad. I was multitasking. Let's see what it do though. Hopefully it's in our favor. This news looked like it had a little bit more push than that first one. This one was negative too. This one was negative 48. I think this gonna drop, y'all. This gonna drop. Uh-oh. Let's go, strategy stream.
Order filled.
Let's go. News helped it, yeah, for sure. Gold, I think, inverted head and shoulders. Copper, looking at copper, Julia. All right, nice. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, cool. Craig, you still here? If there's anybody else here on the chat that needs a broker, if you need a broker, type broker below. If you need a link to a broker. Come on, don't consolidate right here. Come on, don't consolidate right here. Come on. Don't do this like that. What else is moving? What else is moving? I think ES might. Oh, oil went crazy. Sheesh. Dang, T.Bot. I should have just took the signal. I should have just took the trade when it was right here. Because it was still at that point. Put my stop loss up there. Damn. You ain't get no answer yet? Dang. Nah, here goes the broker. You can use Owanda, that's one. This is another one if you're looking for more dynamic pairs, like if you want to trade indices, if you want to trade gold. This got more options. It's called Sway. It's called Sway Markets. So, I've been studying them for almost 6-7 months. Signed up with them a few months ago. I was a little hesitant at first because any new broker, you got to be hesitant. But they got some good things going on. And also, they are regulated in Australia, which means they got to do a little bit more like financial due diligence, and they got to have a little bit more transparency. So I just dropped the link below. Man, that was a quick trend. Oil, man. Oil. All right, this is playing a little bit. This is playing games. Look at those wicks, though. You can't tell me that ain't exhaustion. Come on. This can go all the way down. I'm telling you, bro. This got some legs on it. This got some legs on it. Let's see where TP1 would be. This is playing. I don't know what it might do. The news is definitely looking more volatile than I would have first assumed. Yeah, I used them. They straight. All right, cool. Thanks, Jay. Come on, we know what's gonna happen. You're gonna drop, so go ahead and do it. Come on. I know you want to drop. serious. Anybody busy at work right now? Anybody got a lot going on? Mad it's Monday? Like, man, that weekend went fast. Okay, oil pulling back. Finally, sheesh. NQ playing games, yeah. I think everything is right now, for real. I ain't gonna scale in no more right now. I'm gonna let everything do what it do. This is looking real shaky. Yeah, I see a lot of freezing happening right here. These markets ain't doing nothing. See if it's making lower highs on a lower time frame. Uh-oh, tribe, I think we got, I need some help. I need some help. I need some help. I need some help. Need some help, y'all, real quick. Do me a favor, go over. If you on Slack, if you one of the members on Slack, go over and just give Rihanna some love, y'all. Rihanna needs some love right now. She said she's going through it kind of heavy. She just posted a message on Slack. So do me a favor, go over there and just pour some love into her. I'm going to do the same thing, but I needed y'all. I need some backup. I don't know why it's not loading, but... Oh, there it goes. She seemed like she needs some real love right now, man. I know the feeling when you're going through it, so just go check it out real quick if you on Slack. She needs some support. I'm gonna do the same thing, but man, I know that feeling, man. It's like chaos before the beauty, right? The rain before the rainbow. Like, she's probably got a big blessing coming. Appreciate y'all too. Thank you. Appreciate y'all for real. Okay, so y'all, what am I? Am I tripping? What the heck am I doing? Am I tripping? Like, what the heck? Oh, let me hold up. Over here, I'm saying I wanted to get into I wanted to get into US 30, the Dow Jones. But over here, I'm in on NASDAQ. How did that even happen? Both of them looking weird. Honestly, I need to find me an exit. I need to get up out of here and recalibrate. Because this is, when I just looked at this, I said, hold up, this looks like it's making higher lows. Like, what the? I don't want to be messing around with this. Shoot, I don't know. Should I jump? I don't want to just take this loss, though. Let's see what happens. Shoot. I might get lucky. But yeah, this would be pure luck right here. I mean, it's funny because I liked it to counter trend line, but I was supposed to be in US 30. Anybody else notice that? That was crazy. This order flow got me on my challenge for 200. Got me down on my challenge for 200. You down because of, oh, you've been trying out order flow? All right, cool. All right, hopefully that was a good mistake. I'm still feeling this, but it's funny because on my other account, I came over here, I put it in on my live, and I did it right. I did it right over here. I don't know what I was doing. So now I gotta recalibrate on where my TP and stop loss at. I do like all of this down here. I do. I love all of this. If it comes down here, this is beautiful. I love it. I can't wait till this news come out next week, man. I'm tired of these choppy markets. I'm over it. I need my trends back. But this is how it go. The market does not trend most of the time. Prior to contrary belief, what they say? Prior to popular belief, like the market is not always trending. The trend is your friend. I love to trade the trend, but usually the market is in a consolidation. I can't remember the percentage I heard, but I think I heard like 70% of the time or something like that. Almost 80. Which is why I created certain strategies just for those kind of markets. But what's easy, what's good, what's like healthy for me and my mind and my busyness is trading with the trend. So I just like to find markets that have a nice trend and go with that. But on the strategy stream, I'm trying to do a little bit more. I'm trying to be a little bit more aggressive, be a little bit more flexible. Gold didn't come back down yet. Canadian dollar. Thank you to everybody who hit up Rihanna. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. Yeah, Julia, I heard about the bird poop being good luck too. I heard about that being good luck. I like that Fatima for sure. Yeah, I believe the Most High speaks to us through animals. For real, like, since a lot of signs, a lot of stuff been happening to me lately. It's been kind of crazy. All right, what are you gonna do? You gonna do that? Am I gonna still take this trade now, or am I over it now? Whoa, what we doing here? Oh, NQ price action was nowhere near the actual stop loss or TP, but there are issues with the market in NYC. Wow. Can you share more info on that, Dave? Ask Dave. Maybe drop a link or anything that you have on that so we can be in the same know as you, because that sounds interesting. I think I'm going to take this now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I don't got to do too much because I think I'm going to stay in this NASDAQ trade. I think I'm going to let NASDAQ ride out too. So I don't got to do too much. Like that butterfly, that was crazy. Yeah, that butterfly was sitting on my hat. And it was all around because I had already asked for a butterfly. It came. Then it came back, and I asked it to come touch me, and it did without me even knowing. I'm like, oh, there you go. Jumped in my head. Then it was sitting there. I'm like, hold up, this is crazy. And then to catch it on video, which is even crazier. Yesterday, I went and sat in nature, and I had bugs crawling all on me. Like, it was crazy. It's just a lot of stuff I don't even talk about because it's just like people gonna start thinking you crazy, but you gotta. It ain't even for everybody. Like you just gotta believe and be like, okay, I heard you. I know what I gotta do. So yeah. On that note, while I got y'all here, if you're on the East Coast. If you're on the East Coast of the United States, I'm on my way. We on our way. We're gonna come up there and see y'all. We're gonna come through. Dang, only place we ain't gonna hit, honestly, is probably Toronto, Jay. So Jay, you're gonna have to come meet us somewhere. But yeah, we about to hit the road June and July. Yes. So more info to come, but yeah, we about to definitely come up to PA, DMV, Jersey, New York, Detroit, Ohio. We're a little skeptical on the Carolinas, so we need some help on anybody who in the Carolinas, man. We need some help knowing what to do, where we at. Yeah, but I'm excited to come see y'all, for real. This is gonna be really dope. Coming up there with open arms, with blessings. We got partnership opportunities. We coming up there with some real solutions, showing you what we doing is working for us and what can work for you. Question. So I just started the challenge, but I only made 400. If I make 1K today, that's more than 50% of my best day. Will I lose? No. You can't make more than 50% of the goal. The goal would be, let's say, I think it's 3,000 for the 50K, if that's what you want. So, yeah, you can't make more than 1,500. It's not of your best day. Your best day can't be 50% of the goal. That's the challenge. That's the thing. It's time to drop. Don't make a W. Don't make a W, please. There's no reason to do that right here. It's time to drop. It's time to drop right here. Let's go. Fatima said she's gonna try to come and see us a couple plays. Yeah, we would love to see you. I'm glad you said that because I think you in Philly. Where's you in Baltimore? I think you in Philly though. And we was hoping people from Philly can come see us in Jersey or DMV, or we're gonna be in Allentown. But Allentown is an event I'm doing. Somebody want me to speak at an event, so I'm not sure if it's open to the public. We'll see. But I'm hoping you can at least come to New York or Jersey or the DMV area. Check this from CNBC. Okay, we didn't get the link yet. Yeah, we'll figure something out. Okay, all right, cool. Yeah, we'd love to see you, man. Also, if you can't figure those out, I will be in Buffalo. So that's really close. I can at least see you in Buffalo, my guy. I'll meet you at the border if I got to, man. I'll meet you at the border. Okay, you in Philly? I thought so. Okay, cool. I'm in both NAS and 30. Let's go, Blue Editor. Let's go. Come on, don't make no W right here, man. Jersey for sure. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's go, NASDAQ. Ooh, they pushing. They pushing. The Bears just came through. Let's see if they can stay here, though. I hope this ain't just no liquidity grab. Come on, don't do it here. Come on, man. Okay, NQ still dropping. Let me see where I'm at over here. Break even for me would be 38,705. Don't do me like this. Come on. Break even for NASDAQ would be $18,675. Okay, that's right where it's at. There we go. Come on. Dow Jones, come on. You can do it. Come on, there. Ooh, NASDAQ. It's 1039. Let's see what that opening range looked like. Come on, my computer wildin'. That's the opening range right there for the Dow Jones. Ooh, it respected the opening range for NASDAQ. Sheesh. Now my hypo is that it's gonna respect this counter trend line. If it breaks that counter trend line, I gotta get out. I gotta get up out of there. Even if it's at a small loss, I just gotta get up out of there. But I can't let this break that counter trend line and go back up. Come on, you so ready to drop. I see it. Come on. Yo, it's playing games. Up 700. Let's go. What you trade on NQ? Okay, nice. Where did you enter? Yeah, where did you enter at? Alert says this went off for sale. Oh, FPX, SPX. Yeah, it might be breaking out of that little trap we was in. Oh yeah, a little bit. It broke out, but it went back in. All right, we're dealing with a little bit of pullback. I hope this don't last long. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Order filled.
There we go. Come on. tired of this. No rush, no rush. Let it do what it do now. Let's go. Woo! Drop, 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 drop. Drop, 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 drop. Somewhere close to 18,700, I believe. Yo, definitely got us. Let me see, 18,700. Nice. Oh yeah, that was nice. Off of that bounce, this was a good area too. Let's go. My tribe gonna eat on a Monday. Come on. That bearish bias is paying off. Yo.
DoorDash?
Oh, DoorDash? Yes, yes.
Love.
What's up, bro?
How they ain't
Same to you.
cool to you?
Cool. I was gonna ask him today too. Cool. Same number?
No.
Okay. All my alerts going off. SPX, US30, USD. Okay. All right, the volume that came in finally. Sheesh. Don't pull back down.
For real. I'm about to hop in.
Right. Hit my 200 and get up out of here. Okay. There y'all go. So in a minute here, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even and also sell one of these contracts and just let it ride for the day, because I really see a lot of room for this to drop, but I don't know if it's gonna do it all today. But all of this, come on, it's coming back down to here. It's coming back down to here. But I'm gonna see how long I can let this rock.
Hello? Right.
I might take all of it honestly and wait for a nice re-entry. I got such a busy day today. Is that engulfing? Alright, yeah. You did not give me my money. Nah, I'm gonna let it go. It made it down to 175% of the way. I'm holding. Let's go. Come on. Don't play. Five minute looking good. How do you sell a contract on top? Oh, if you got two open, and let's say you're in a sale, then just click buy one. So just do the opposite of whatever you in. If you in a sale, just buy. Okay. If you in a buy, you just click sell. Yeah, I really like S&P because that one I think still got a lot of. Oh, I missed it. Yeah, it broke that trap. Sheesh. That's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Ooh, there we go. TP1 close. What is going on? Oh, this is NASDAQ. That's why. Can't get your break on this account, bro. What the heck? crude oil come back? It did. I like crude. Sheesh. I'm gonna wait on it though. I'm gonna wait. I got my eyes on this right here. That was good. So let me see if I could buy one of these contracts when it come back down. See what it do right here. Nice. Come on, US 30. It won't move, yo. US 30 is not budging. It's killing me right now. Because I didn't put this NASDAQ trading on my on this funded over here. And I want this funded account to come. It's not, yo, US 30 is not budging. This shit's not budging at all. What are you doing? Killing me right now, bro. Killing me. I'm gonna end up taking most of this. I think I'm gonna end up just taking it. All right, there it goes. Moving again. Wow, look at NASDAQ go. Look at NASDAQ go. Hit TP1. Where's 350 at? 850 around here somewhere. 330. Here it goes. Come on, Dow Jones. Just drop. Are you serious? Nothing? Are you serious? Are you serious? Should I lock one account and trade on another, or lock all my accounts? It sounds like you up. It sounds like you should lock all your accounts, Anthony. All my trades green. I'm up 100 right now. Let's go. That happens, fam. Close them all, especially if you're up for the day. Yeah, now it's cold. Talk us. Yeah, we trying to help you out, man. We trying to help you out. All right, it's coming back up for my. Let me see if I do buy one.
Order filled.
So I just locked in that amount. Yeah, I'm actually sell both of these.
Order filled.
I'll take that. This was so close. I'm gonna let it ride. This that sucker that won't stop playing with me. Come on. You back? You on yet? Trying to find something?
Yeah. Trying to see where you at.
Trying to see where I'm at. I'm trying to bracing for the pullback, and then we're gonna find another entry.
Which one is that?
I think it's Dow Jones or Nasdaq. Really Nasdaq. Nasdaq is moving. Dow Jones is tiptoeing. So it's really Nasdaq. I jumped out for a second because it's pulling back. I'm gonna wait for another entry.
For the Nasdaq?
Mm-hmm.
So what you jumped into? Buy too?
I'm up 300 on one account and 400 on another. I'm gonna lock those up and wait it out. Cool, there you go. You know once they lock though. Ain't no opening them back up. But that's cool. That's cool. Lock them up. Throw away the key. I ain't right about that.
Chill, bro.
Yeah, I forgot. Our childhood trauma is serious, bro. Our childhood trauma is crazy. Like the shit that's in our subconscious is terrible. It's terrible. I can't believe you even caught that. That was crazy. Yep, for sure. Okay. How do you say S&P? This just pair, it want to drop for me, but it don't. Okay, there we go. We so close. I'm just trying to get to 200 on this account. Is NQ going back down yet? Ooh, NQ look like it's about to make another move down, but it's right at my floor. I got, where's this floor from? This is from open. Oh, this is the open. I just was trying to go make some coffee. That's it. Couldn't even make it. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just go to 200. There we go. Sheesh. There we go. I just needed to hit 200 for the day. That's it. There we go. I'm gonna let this one ride out. Where my stop loss at? I'll move the stop loss in the profit though. Let's go. So we're going for 417 on this one. Already up 3. Woo, congrats everybody. Congrats, keep it going. Just trying to pass these challenges, get these payouts. Now, I think crude oil is going to give us a move. Oh, it's at this floor. It looked like it want to break out. I'm gonna lock one of my accounts too. Okay, I'm locked out of that one. That way we don't make no more crazy, not no crazy decisions, but yeah, I just wanna get to these payouts for this account. I'm gonna hold this powerhouse. Power come out at noon and look for next day entry at 3. Okay, sound good. I'm looking for NASDAQ and crude oil. NASDAQ don't look like it want to do a huge pullback. It look like it's ready to drop some more.
Order filled.
Let's see what this looks like. I'm about to risk 50, 46 to make 180. Let's see what happens. Looks like the Dow Jones is back to dropping. That's looking good. Oh, I could sell some of these contracts. Let me sell some of these. I got 3 of them. I'm gonna buy them back because I'm in a short, so.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. I got 1 now. There we go. I don't really trust this pair like that. It's a count up almost 500, so we almost have 52K. There go the pullback. Dang. Should have waited a little bit longer. What would it look like if I got 170, 180, 200?
Order filled.
All right, yeah, I like oil. It looks like it's pulling back. I like the lower highs right here too. It's consistently making lower highs, so we should be okay with that. Like the 1 or 2. I'm gonna shed it and forget it. Moved it. I don't know if I should have moved it or not. Just trying to give it a second to breathe. You know, sometimes those one candles that come and wick you out be the worst. So I'm trying to see where it closed at. I hate those wicks because they just be stop hunting. Now, if it come back to that area again, I'll respect it. I'm gonna definitely respect it. I'll come to you. There's not a lot of volume on a bullish. And we know that's a big green candle. Look, the volume is still pretty low compared to how these bearish was. This was a big bullish one. Let's see what happened over here. It didn't even go nowhere. That just was a wick. That was a long wick, and it came down since then. So yeah, the bulls is not here. This is good. This is just people probably taking profits, taking partials. We are at the low of the day. Where would 100 be? Not good enough. 120, not good enough. Oh, it's above the EMA 9. Nope. Come on, drop right here. This would be great. There we go. There go the exhaustion. Come on. Let's look at it on a 1 minute now. Here we go. That's a nice big red rejection candle. Come on. Push on down. I came out of all of them except for UC. I took my 180 profits. There you go, Fatima. Lock that account or just turn your computer off. But stay plugged in with us. I'm done for the day. Good job, Nostalgia. I'm loving this risk management. Listen to everybody saying that proudly. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Hold this through power. Okay, cool. What kind of account should I go live with? ECN VIP, no commission or Islamic. ECN is fine to start with. ECN is fine to start with. Wait 1 second though. Let me look at something, because you based in the U.S. Yeah, the VIP, you do need a minimum of more money, so you don't want to deal with that. I think the minimum is 100K. Now it's really up to you if you want to do no spreads or spreads. I would say starting off, that's why I think ECN might be good, because there's no spreads. They do have a commission, so you'll pay still something per trade, but there's no spread, so you can start off kind of in profit for real. Islamic is for people who have religious kind of like stipulations where they can't trade swap. That's a whole thing in the Islamic culture. All right, cool. I'm looking for an M right here. I'm looking for a nice M where it does not pass this high or it touches that high, and that's it. If I can get that, I'm gonna scale my way in. I would take a little bit more breathing room too, just a little bit, just so it don't try to wick us out. Okay, oil's in profit. It just went to profit. This is looking good. Come on, make that M. Is that it? Is that it? I think that was it. Let's see. I'm gonna wait on it though. I'm not gonna rush in. Go with ECN. Yeah, ECN for sure. Yeah, okay, cool. It's the simplest. That's what I use. Cool. Yep. Yeah, VIP. You need more money. Islamic is not for us. And what was the other one? Is VIP, ECN, Islamic. Oh, no commission. Yeah, but them spreads be crazy. I don't like the spreads, the crazy spreads. And the spreads can change depending on the time of day, all of that good stuff, so. Let's go, another day of shorties, grabbing these shorts. Okay, there go. Is that a triple top on the 1 minute? Sheesh. Still no real volume. This might be a lot of bot trading right here. Some of the quant traders just scraping and scalping. Cause this it looks good, but it ain't really going nowhere. Let's see what happened here. It finally broke that level. This is a gap. We got a nice gap on the 2 minute right here, but I don't like to go off of that. It's an even bigger gap up here, so it could go up. It could go up because there's mad room in here, and I don't know if I want to move my stop loss to 150. I do. 150 not bad. 150 not bad. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that because this will be my last NQ trade. If it take me out, I won't be in it no more. But I don't want to just give up 90 and then get right back in and lose another 90. Well, that's 180. 150 is a better deal. All right, cool. That gives me a little bit more breathing room over here. Mike said, I'm beginning to see why y'all abandoning gold, but I see possible head and shoulders coming around 24.52. Yeah, the gold just, I'm gonna tell you like this. For me, gold is just in timeout. It's in time. It's in a real long timeout. It might be a week. It might be 2. I don't know, but it has to show that it's you know when gold is trending. You know when gold is doing its thing. Right now, it's not. It's just not. And we can't force it to. Yeah, look at gold. It's just not even doing nothing. But just remember, I want you to go back. I want you to go back and look at the glory days of gold. Just a couple weeks ago when you really was trading gold and loved it. Go look at whenever you feel like you was making the most from gold. And wait for that market structure to come back. For me, it was the beginning of May. It was, well, middle of May. And then let me see if it was another time. Look at that. Oh no, this was the real one. This was when I really got back into gold, early March. I would have to put on my other instrument. Did I close it already? I think I already closed it. Can't see my markings. Oh, here it goes right here. Yeah. Oh, April 2. Oh yeah, a lot in April. Boom, boom. Boom. Yeah, April was nice for gold. Boom, boom, boom. End of March. Yep, it had a nice run. It's like the casino, man. They let you run it up, and then they try to see if they can get it all back from you. You gotta go. What Cat Williams said, you got to tell them no. You really do. You gotta just get up out of that market. Where we at? We on. Let's go to oil. She too stressful, fam. The honeymoon phase is over for me. Yeah. I'm proud of Jay, man. I did not think Jay was gonna leave. I knew it was gonna be between Jay and Mike. I'm like, they gonna battle this thing out. Like, they gonna trade in a trap. They don't care. But that also, just to be honest, like I was also excited for y'all because I'm like, they might master this pair. They might master it, but it's just hard. I know it is because the swings are so high. The swings be wild, man. The volatility is crazy. you know where it's going. It just plays around and then pulls all the way up, then go to where you want it to go. It's just too volatile. And I like volatility when it's trending, not when it's reversing and consolidating. Julia said in my Chris Brown voice, gold ain't loyal, for real. It's really not. I think it's out to get us. You know what's I think gonna be the future gold? I think Bitcoin is gonna be like that. I think trading Bitcoin is gonna be the same way. It's gonna be like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's gonna be real tricky. Dang, NASDAQ is let's see if it's finding it's still going into this gap. This is the area I was a little bit worried about. Now I do got a little bit more protection coming right here. So I'm hoping we can get a rejection right here too. Hoping for it. Other than that, I'm putting on my faith right now into oil. I think oil is gonna give us a nice move like it did Friday. Big red candles. Got to tell them no, Mike. You gotta tell them no. Gold is gonna call you tomorrow too and be like, hey, look, I'm ready. You got to tell them no. Okay. Hindsight gold created divergence at the lower of the day. The RSI. What time frame? 15 minute?
was in it.
Look like a nice W. I mean, nice, yeah, probably off that floor. Better not be coming up.
You got a support over here coming up.
Oh, yeah. Was that on this time frame, I think? I was on this chart. Bitcoin buys on M30. And 30, US 30 might drop again. It didn't do the big pullback that Nas did. It just froze. It just kind of like consolidated, which is cool. And Nas is coming back down right now, so I can see the difference in my P&L down here. Oh, there it goes back up. I'm gonna let that do what it do. What about S&P? Anybody made money on S&P? It broke out of that trend. I mean that trap. That would have been some good easy money right there. Look like it want to continue. Okay, I think it's time. It's 11:30. I think it's time, y'all. I feel like the volume is coming back in. There we go. Let's go, NASDAQ. I think this is where it might be where I give it a chance at. I just need to see a strong candle. I need to see a strong bearish candle. I need to be a believer. Make me believe. This could be my trading week right here. This could be the bulk of it. For this account, you know. I'm trying to get this account out of there. Yeah, Creed know how to make coffee, bro. My bad. There it go. There go US 30.
Order filled. Order filled.
Do I like NASDAQ better or oil better? Oil just moving a little slow, but I like the market structure. It looks like it's just about to lean and tilt and just drop.
For real. It's gassing us right now.
Mm-hmm. But you know those candles be thick when they finally come. I like the 210 right there. I think I'm gonna wait for NASDAQ. NASDAQ with the last move. This is the last move on NASDAQ. I think this was the M we was waiting for. Come on, drop right here, drop. Come on. You ain't gotta push. You ain't gotta push. Okay, oil's in profit. Dang, this shit pushing hard right now too. There's got to be the candle where it make the wick. It got to do it like within these next 5 to 10 minutes. Let me see what the 15-minute look like. Yeah, if this candle can do it, that would be great.